Welcome. Happy Hmong New Year. Thank you for attending our 14th annual Hmong New Year celebration at East High School.
nhớ sung sung chia,我做完呢都个别冇去别条，我有上个包，nhớ做的只跟的意思呢。
This year, the students in the Hmong language levels 1, 2, and 3 collaborated with Lakeview's bilingual Hmong English program, Blackhawk's Hmong Heritage Language program, Macon's Hmong Club, and Kennedy's Hmong students to host a wonderful cultural program for youth.
向呢就只跟的 Lakeview、Blackhawk、Lincoln、The Kennedy 都讲做别冇只跟的 East 和只到一条街了，只跟呢都晒。
Our theme is called Return to Our Roots, and it stresses on how some of our Hmong youths who grow up in this country have lost touch with their Hmong heritage and culture. By celebrating the Hmong New Year, many of them are able to reconnect with their roots and understand the essence of being Hmong.
阮真的被路去别条，我到底冇晒别地家，以前都话冇举报，以前都话没有冇，我諗攞到地條你揀下舉報就俾冇，就搞你幾大啦，有你頭來就攞別條，同埋你報啲冇啲冇對正經冇你家。
We also have many individual performances to entertain you. So, without further ado, let's begin. And we hope you enjoy our program.
總之呢冇俾冇一條都才攞為攞。我老人家头背的晒，有哩可能是的小卡晒的头背。
We wish you all a very happy Hmong New Year.
要是胸切。
Hmong New Year, return to our roots. Act 1. Kautangai. People gather by the Kautangai area. Do leaves the scene.
Alright, well, I'll see you later.
Wait, let's go the Taiwan.
Oh, hey man, hey, so that's not my thing. You guys can go do whatever you guys need to, alright?
Oh, shit, it's their man.
Oh,
It's just once a year.
what's going on guy anyway, Paul?
It's the official ceremony to send away the old year and welcome to New Year.
Oh. Hey, how do you welcome the New Year, Paul?
So, you see that part there? People walk around 3 times to send the old year, and then walk around 3 times the other direction to welcome the New Year.
Oh, but you're not, Paul. What does that matter about the Paul doing?
Oh, no? He's in charge of the ceremony. He's the one who sent away the old year and welcome the New Year with blessing.
Paul, you really think you're gonna find good health and happiness just by walking around a pole? Wake up, Paul. We live in the U.S. now. We don't need this.
Come on, dude. What's wrong with performing honoring our culture and tradition? Got the home, we're not going to get that home.
Nah,
That's who we are.
Not me. I don't care about this stuff, Paul. I'm American. Anyways, Paul, I gotta head out, alright? I'll catch you later.
Catch
Go.
up.
Act 2. Soul calling at Du's house. At Du's house, his uncle is performing a soul calling to welcome the new year while his father is getting ready to offer food to his ancestors.
Yeah. What are you guys doing? Why is Uncle Sam performing a soul calling?
对，努力学，努力学色，一手 calling， Throughout the year, our soul may have wandered and lost, so Uncle Sing is calling our souls back home.
Oh, hopefully for Mama, yeah. Do you really believe that soul calling really helps?
Hada Chirikana, what a question. We always perform soul calling. Shai Fene, good teaching, you're light out. Your dad is about to offer food to the ancestors.
Oh, really, Jama? Why does Dad have to offer food for our ancestors, Mom?
When you're old, to offer food to the ancestors to protect us.
Yeah. Why do you guys have to tell me this?
When you're older, you perform the same task, offer food to the ancestors.
But Mom, we live in the US now. We don't need this. I mean, we don't need this. We don't need to do these rituals anymore.
Oh yes, we do. Honors all traditions and culture. They makes us who we are. As a matter of fact, tomorrow at the New Year celebration, you're going to wear Hmong clothes.
What? Are you serious? No. Ugh. 刚才跌了。
Act 3. At the New Year celebration. Wearing a nice Hmong outfit and pouting, Du went to find his friend, Ball, at the ball tossing area.
What's up, Boo? Well, look who's here wearing Hmong clothes. Shay,
Oh, wow, give me a break, man. This is so embarrassing. How Mai doesn't see me in this outfit. How about my top of what?
There's nothing to be ashamed of. Go to your mom.
Are you sure, Paul?
Yeah?
Wait, Paul, look who's coming. Shay played the Toto.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, is that you, Boo?
Yeah, this.
You look,
What? Handsome?
I mean, I guess, handsome. And more home. Hey,
Well, after all, I am home, right?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey guys, check this out. This is Michael, and he's doing that saying good job. I'll pay my room, my good job.
Ni ai mi hong nia ling cai lo tu gu lu da lu dong dei mu lo bo thao u e go yo yuan zai gu jing yo yuan tu e ư li xi xi tu tuo le xi xi yo e lu jia dei mu jia da e zhao lu tuo ji zhu long Đề gu yuan so ca tuo lo chua cờ mo cha lu trồng đê ngu lo bua thâu y e gu nhà mình sai chế bông mù ya mông bò e chế di linh tu trong tu Gu a lo mu le te gu jo e lu che tu le lo lu che
手的色，能被漂亮又多的地。
Proud of you, Delia. Proud his friends are so talented. I'm so proud of them for keeping up with their culture.
You see that though? You might be a girlfriend, you got like a homeboy.
Well, I am acting like a young boy. Mom boy, and I am mom. Good to your mom, care, good jolly to mom out.
Wow, where your mama and papa? You can hide it, you know.
Nothing.
Let's go see our friends who's playing toys.
Okay.
Alright.
Back in Laos, the Hmong people farm year-round. They follow the lunar calendar, so each month they use different tools to work on different tasks.
Tualupi, Mongshi, Ipia, Kyoyin, Kyota, the Ola, they gain
In January, the Hmong clear a new field to farm so they can use a Hmong scythe to cut down bushes and tall grasses, while they use an axe to chop down trees.
Lu Yi Ling Lu, Mongshi, Gatsua, the Lu Ding Chua, Halashi, Gatao, the Jia Ding Dong.
When they are tired, their wives and children would bring water in a bamboo water carrier for them to drink. Talo shasha ke yaponia tushe yongade haluta to home.
The Hmong spend February, March, and April to get their fields ready, and in May and June, they start to plant their rice.
Lu ali muda lu lali, the Hmong ba le te ye lu chili da lu dali, le pi play.
The men use a spear to poke holes in the ground, and the women put the seeds in the holes. Yatine shida mu, la ko ko, rajaponia kyongle.
In June, the rice starts to grow, so the Hmong use the hose to get rid of weeds. Lu dao ling du, jiao play to le de, jiao men chi, da lao, long to dan dao.
Between September and October, when the rice is ripe, the Hmong use sickles to cut down the rice stacks. Lupyo li, tilukao li, yomble shiela, ye Hmong shi dalia, no lai yomble.
Once the rice harvest, the Hmong used the bamboo basket to carry the rice home. The Hmong shiluko la e jamble muche.
The Hmong ladies remove any leftover husks with the bamboo trays before they cook the rice. Yapanya shi luva la jong yatu, one day la yomon yatu or no.
Young men and women have to gather wood with the wood carrier to make fire for cooking. Yalua yatashi, taki mueta ajon la do omano.
Other youth use their wooden water carrier and pails to fetch water for cooking and feeding animals. Lu yarhua, or lu date, telutong, mu ede, la shi or mono, tepukai pumbo.
After the meal, people in the village gather together to relax with their families before they retire for the night.
Young men practice their playing to entertain the family. Itia hua, chopeng or kiloje, the jinging thou shai.
The Hmong two-string fiddle is also a favorite instrument that the entire family enjoys listening to. Lucy sao yo ilu shok pandua o ke Hmong ya non kutia.
Young men would take this opportunity to visit or look for prospective girlfriends by displaying their musical talents to attract girls. Yahua shi lushi hana, muya honga, teatro shopando, tala. Leaf blowing is an effective way to call up the girl's attention. Tehua choklo, ude honga.
Sometimes, instead of expressing the feelings directly to the girls, they will play musical instruments to communicate with the girls. They also want to impress girls with their musical talents. Therefore, the flute is a fine instrument to attract a girl's attention. Yalua chuan luta tua ta tonongao.
Once young lovers' feelings are confirmed, they like to play the malharp to each other to express more inner thoughts. Tao ipu hongka hondo shita tao zhongla. Ye le shi dan ya le ye lu hai.
instruments are means of communication that the Hmong people use for entertainment and romantic search for a potential soulmate. Act 4, celebrating the Hmong New Year.
So, Tu, what do you think about our farming tools and our musical instruments?
You know, Bob, they're really nice and everything, but I feel like I'm a little disconnected from everything. Do we have anything more exciting? You know, especially for more. They got here, check out.
What do you mean? Hey,
Like more entertainment, more lights, you know, more action. How to pull up.
Mr. Tu thinks he's too good for us, huh?
No, Bob, it's not that. It's just I need more excitement, you know, more entertainment.
You mean like Stanley?
Yeah, just like Stanley.
Alright, that's why Stanley hip hop is, what?
Yeah. Look, you know how the pagan chit chat goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. Them with chubs through highs and lows. We seen man last night, they froze. Was no cameras, was no pose. Just like that one time at Cella. Good thing man, we're pulling out phones. Think you know me, that's not true. We got ties in West End too. She came over and she got slew. Throwing up 6 like man had flu. I got way too big off views. Back to the basics, I won't lose. They wanna link when they got no tunes. They too worried about selling out shoes. I don't give a fuck about jeans and crap. Or going to Milan or going to the Met. I just wanna make these songs for the set. I just want a little that and let that wet. I got so much things in the stash. Pulled up anyone done that clash. Got no sense like Jizzle. Big and bad like Lee them. Can't do love cause they get too attached. Don't get broken, whip get scratched. I'ma just take my knots and cash. They can never tie me down, that's facts. All that bark when we know he's a cat. I don't really like going take for a tat. I'ma just come like tat tat tat. I'ma just end that there, that's that.
You know, Mom, that is what I call entertainment.
Is that all though?
No, Mom. Guess what else we got? We got a rapper.
Really? Who is it?
It's Gohan. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Mom.
Wait, I was rapping? I was rapping? Oh, you wanna hear some rap? Yeah. Hey, you wanna drop the beat though? Yeah. Yeah.
Sounds like a love song. Sounds like a love song.
Yeah. Listen. Yeah. Sometimes I tell myself maybe I'm not that good enough. Used to be so friendly, so happy, but now I'm looking tough. People don't know that I carry weight on my shoulders. It feels like I carry motors. It feels like I'm getting older. My nights are getting colder. My body feels like a machine and my mind feels like the moment you know it's over. People don't notice you until the day you're gone. It's the reason why I stay writing these songs. They count the pedals on me cause they know the link was waiting for me. I'm counting dollars cause I know my mama's playing for me. I'm counting down because I do it on my own. And when I'm counting dollars, don't be hitting up my phone. Cause when I was alone, no one noticed I was gone. And now my days are long, now you know what's going on. I don't want that fake love, y'all can't have it back. You only with me for the clout, what kind of stuff is that? Yeah. Y'all can't see it coming down my eyes, but I gotta let this song cry. Yeah, yeah. You can't see it coming down my eyes, so I gotta let this song cry. Yeah, Yeah, you can't see it coming down my eyes, so I gotta let this song cry. Yeah, yeah, you can't see it coming down my eyes, so I gotta let this song cry. Yeah. Thank you, everybody.
Good job, Gohan. That was lit. See, T-Ball? That is your segment right there.
Come on, dude. Don't be so stuck up. Remember that you can't escape your Hmong identity, so you might as well bet on your American identity.
Oh yeah, I suppose I do that.
Alright, let's watch these Hmong girls show us.
Alright, bet.
Nó xua ba sáng hay có xa gì có rằng gì giờ xua nhà đi bỏ bỏ chùa chỉ buồn đã trả bỏ
thiên ân lớn lên rung rơi tia tia mong lo ba chia lo gì sống muốn đau tu chỉ từ nhà bố nam mong trông cho我让都融融
人像一绕头发的mong xua khó chờ tua mù sĩ công nó chia bê châu đời bê hai mong xua tù mong rộng lúc xia ca kia
mong chia bê châu yêu mong đơn cử của bố tổ chân thế giờ tổ chia mong cho lo lắng đau thương đau tia mong lũ dồn chia lòng gì cơn đau
understand what you're trying to say about blending my two identities.
You see, too, we have a thriving history and culture that doesn't need to be forgotten just because we live in the U.S. now. We can still honor our past as we embrace a new culture.
Wow, Paul, I never really thought about it like that. Now, back then I used to switch from my Hmong language to my American language. But now I can blend it to become what? Hmong American. Isn't that cool? Alright guys, I'll let you guys come up here and let's celebrate Hmong New Year. Happy Hmong New Year, guys! Let's dance.
Come on, get up! Get up! Come on! Come on! Everyone, get up! Get up!
Good?
Yeah. Why did you not come up and dance?
You can find me, That's how you know.